I slept on strangers' couches when I didn't have a home. You guys have ever heard of Couchsurfing.com? It's a community where people can list their houses or their couches as a place for strangers to live. I never had any bad experiences, but definitely had some unique ones. There was one where I went and stayed in a one-bedroom apartment that a guy had, and there were like 8 girls there. Like 6 of them were Russian. I don't know what was going on there. I was just there because I needed a place to sleep. I used to sell my music door to door at the time, so I was out on the streets selling my music. I was done for the day, and I'd come home, and the guy was having sex with this girl in his bedroom, and they were really loud. So I remember I just went outside and I sat on the pavement, and all I was thinking about was, this is an interesting part of my story. And I know this is not the end, but I need to start making more responsible decisions so I don't have to be in environments like this. But I never felt like I was failing. I just felt like I was learning. I remember seeing the Army commercial that said, if your life was a book, would anybody want to read it? So I never really looked at my mishaps as why me? Instead, I looked at it as an opportunity to learn, even if it's just learning what not to do. For those of you that are going through challenges right now, you might be in that same place, but never feel like you're failing. Look at it like you're learning. I know many of the things that I've learned from failed businesses, failed relationships, failed attempts at achieving whatever I'm trying to achieve. I didn't really fail. I learned a lot of things. And overall, maybe that project didn't work. But then when I started the next project, I got to start with all of the things that I had learned from the previous one. You're not failing, you're learning. And even if something feels like it's not working for you, it's working on you. I like to share awesome tips and tricks on how to build your business and how I built mine from living in a garage to creating multiple 7 figures. If you'd like to get weekly tips and tricks, check the description and you can join for free.